I can cook. This is my housemate, Ilmer. He cannot cook for shit. So that's why we came to a little bit of agreement. Usually he has lunch at work, so that's unaccounted for. I, however, will be responsible for the next 5 days to cook him 5 delicious dinner. And he's willing to pay me a nice amount of money, therefore I let him choose the meal. The meal that he went with is Korean black noodle with steak, salmon with sweet potato, some kind of noodle stir fry, again with steak, a Spanish tortilla, and number 5 is a shrimp risotto. All very 5 delicious and fancy meal. So let's go get all the groceries. It's not the most marble, but it's very nice and clean. Now we will just start out with just dicing some onions, garlic, and scallion. We want to thinly slice these beef so that when we stir fry them at high temperature, they'll be very nice, smoky, and tender. Use a high heat oil like grapeseed oil. Now see the pan that starts smoking like that, in goes the beef, and that's the sound you want to hear when you want to stir fry beef in like a Chinese style. Another healthy amount of oil to stir fry all the vegetable. Here we're making the sauce for the Chinese stir fry, and this is inspired by like a yaki udon kind of sauce. Once the vegetable color, I throw in my noodles. After cooking the noodle for about maybe 1 minute under the instructions, I transfer them straight to the pan. Then add in the sauce to deglaze the pan. And finally, the beef. And finally, we finish off with some sesame seeds. We finished the meal. Let's go get Ilmer from his room.
What's happening?
Come down. Just so you know, I'm making a video of this this event. Alright, dinner number 1.
Oh, nice. Beautiful. Thank you.
Beef stir-fry noodles. You can try it, see if there's any lack of seasoning, and then if you want extra chili oil or anything like that, you can add chili oil to it.
Delicioso. Nice, man. Really nice.
Taste-wise?
Very Asian. Very local.
Give it a score out of 10.
Out of 10.
Give it a, well, this is the first one. You can lower the score, and maybe the next couple meal maybe be better.
7.7.
7.7.
7.7.
Alright, I say that was a success for the first meal. 7.7. Let's see if we can up the score tomorrow. And this is my sad dinner. Yes, this is how Cooks eats. Alrighty, we cook out with day 2 with some salmon and sweet potato fries. First off, I like salmon with skin on, so I'm going to have to descale them and they're gonna sear them on the skin side to make them crispy. And before I want to say anything, no, I just washed my hand. It's not my hand from all the fish juice. Yeah, I don't know where that came from. Well, look at that, I almost look like an actual chef. Lay down some sweet potato fries, drizzle some, oh, yeah, ignore that. Drizzle them some olive oils, mix them up a little bit, and into the oven first. Here I'm seeing all the salmon at the same time, but I probably should have gotten a bigger pan because what ended up happening is, for some reason, these was just not de-sticking from the pan. Like, usually I would get these off so easily, but today was a struggle. Now I'm trying to play these up a bit nicer from yesterday, you know, like yesterday was the first day, so, you know, there was some sloppiness there, but today I'm trying. Then really to have the asparagus because they take a less amount of time to cook. They go in after with just a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper to go back in the oven with the chips. Now some of the salmon fat rendered out into the pan, so I'm just going to use that combined with some butter to make a creamy lemon sauce. Yeah, I just ran out of shallot at this moment, but you know, use shallot instead of onions. I would have used white wine, but I think I forgot about it at this time, so yeah, water and chicken bouillon will have to do. Have a little taste, and the consistency is absolutely perfect for sauce, so I came in with a little bit of parsley left, and that is the most beautiful creamy lemon sauce for your salmon. Alright, food stop. Time to call our VIP for the night.
Hello, mate. How's it going?
Let's go. Today is gonna be a fancy meal.
Okay. I love the boss. Oh, beautiful.
The presentation.
Nice presentation, man.
Some like some creamy lemon sauce.
That is really good.
We will not tell you how much butter and cream I use for that sauce. But it's not. It wasn't a lot. But it wasn't not butter, but it was somewhat amount of cream.
What oil were you using? Were you using my oil, no?
No, using olive oil.
Oh,
So that's fine.
that's good.
Alright, compared to yesterday,
Really good.
how is rate out of 10?
Give it an 8 this time.
See, he is racist against Asian food. Yeah,
No,
yeah.
it's also good. It's also good.
But this is nice though.
I would order it again.
That's the end of day 1 and 2. I probably have to break this video down to 2 parts because it will be about like 25 minutes long if it is all in one video. But here's a little teaser for day 3, 4, and 5 coming up. See you guys then.